Paw Patrol posse ready for action, riders, sir. Daring Danny's on a runaway robo-horse. And we've got to do a roundup rescue. Sky, fly over the valley and find the cactus field. Once you locate it, and Danny, let us know how to get there. Chase, you'll use your zip line like a lasso to stop that runaway robo-horse. Paw Patrol is on a roll!
Ryder, I found the cactus field. And there's Danny. He's just west of those rocky towers.
Great job, Sky. We're closing in. Chase, Danny's moving around too much for you to be able to lasso his horse. Lasso the cactus instead and bend it out of the way. Zip line. Whoa there, 4x4.
Thank you! Whoa! Phew! No, lightning bolt! Horses can't climb stairs! Oh!
Looks like the rocky tower might topple soon. We gotta get Daring Danny down.
Sky, I need you to airlift Sheriff Chase onto Lightning Bolt's saddle.
Here comes the harness.
Yippee-ki! Whoa! Almost there! Now!
Whoa! Not again!
Now hang on tight, because now we're gonna jump!
Oh no! All right! We made it! That was extreme!
Rusty's whale of a problem.
It's a perfect beach day. All that's missing is some music.
A beach party needs louder music than that. We need something a little more rustified. Introducing the Sonic Rivet Shark 9000. Time to crank up some tunes.
Kinda hard to dance to this song.
It's not coming from the speakers.
It kinda sounds like a whale.
Come on, let's check it out.
It is a whale! A baby whale!
It swam too close to the beach and got stuck. Is she singing?
That's how whales talk to each other.
She sounds sad. We have to help her.
Don't worry, we'll get you back in the water. We should think of a name for you. You look like an Ingrid. She likes it. Now, how do we get you off the sand?
Oh, I've got it. We'll use the Mobile Rivet Lab's crane to lift her. Let's go mobile! Time to get to work. We've got a whale of a problem to solve. Okay, Whirly, hook it onto Claw and we're ready to go. One whale going up. Woohoo! Yeah! Can a whale be lost in the ocean?
It says here baby whales always swim with their pods, and they can get lost without them.
What's a pod?
It's a group of whale families that swim together.
Ingrid must have gotten lost and separated from her whale pod.
Let's get into the water and help her find her family. Oh, look! I see Ingrid's pod on the sonar.
But they're swimming farther away.
We better get Ingrid and catch up. We don't want to lose them. Ooh, I see lots of underwater creatures on the sonar. That's a fish. That's a sawfish.
Whoa, it's a fish and a tool.
And Ingrid is right over there.
Why is she behind that rock?
Is she hiding from us?
Maybe she's afraid of the rivet shark.
She must think it's a real shark.
I've got an idea. Ingrid communicates by singing. So maybe music will help her know we're not a shark.
Yeah. Okay, Ingrid isn't a jazz fan. How about classical? Bagpipes? Rock and roll? She likes to rock out.
We've got to get going.
Follow us, Ingrid. Let's rock and roll. We're still pretty far away from Ingrid's family.
By the time we go all the way around, we'll lose them for sure.
Wait, I think I see a shortcut.
And we get to go through an underwater cave?
Yes, please.
In here, Ingrid.
This cave is awesome.
But it's getting smaller. Look up ahead.
Uh-oh. I'm not sure the sub can fit through. Just maybe.
Yes!
And look, there's Ingrid's family.
But where's Ingrid? We must have caused a cave-in when we bumped into the side of the cave. Ingrid is trapped.
Don't worry, Ingrid. The water jet will blast those rocks out of the way.
It's not working. The rocks are too big.
Let's try to move the rocks with the rivet shark. 3, 2, 1, push!
It's not working.
It's no use. They're too hard. We'll break the sub before we break those rocks.
How can we rescue Ingrid?
We need to get Ingrid out of the cave.
And fast. We need a tool that can cut through boulders, like a giant saw.
Or a giant sawfish.
Yeah, sawfish use their noses to cut through things. So we'll turn the sub into
A giant sawfish.
Don't worry, Ingrid. We'll be right back.
Let's combine it.
And design it.
We'll start with the shark sub.
Then we'll add a laser saw, perfect for cutting through rock.
And to power the laser saw, we'll add a turbo tail. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified.
Customize.
Rustify. The Sawfish Sub 3000.
Let's go save Ingrid.
Okay, Ingrid, back up.
Now we can cut up the rocks and get you out of there.
I'll power up the laser saw. Turbo charge in 3, 2, 1.
Time to slice and dice.
Ingrid!
She's hiding again. All that noise must have scared her.
Ingrid, it's us! You're free! Let's get you back to your family. Come on!
Look out! Ingrid, swim under us!
Go Starfish Sub! All right, let's get you back to your family.
Oh no!
The whale pod isn't on sonar anymore. They're too far away.
They were headed that way. Don't worry, Ingrid. We can catch up to them. Follow us!
They're back on sonar,
I see them! Look!
but they're still really far away.
We'll turbo ahead. Catch up to your family and bring them back to you.
Hey, guys. They must be scared of the rivet shark, like Ingrid was.
Music worked with Ingrid, so let's hope her family likes rock and roll too.
Nope, they do not like to rock out.
But Ingrid does. Ingrid, sing to the music. Maybe they'll hear you.
They're too far away to hear her.
I can help with that. Mic drop.
Aww. Bye, Ingrid.
You rock.
That was the sweetest thing ever.
There's only one way to celebrate something this awesome. A beach party! Fire up some tunes, Jack. Whoa! Now that is a great song.
Let it ride!
Calling all trains! Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission! Today's mega mission goes to Mechanic Milo!
Chugga chugga, yes!
You'll get to pick up the roller coaster cars from Port Station and deliver them to the Milo coaster tracks.
And then the Milo coaster will be ready to roll.
Green tracks ho! Now you're ready to make tracks!
Ahoy, Skipper!
Ahoy, Mechanic Milo and Nico! I know just what brings you here. Roller coaster cars!
Let's get these cars to the roller coaster.
Woo!
Ah! Good to go, Nico? You already went! I'm coming for you, Nico! Good, because this is kind of like riding a roller coaster, and I really don't like roller coasters! Where am I going now? Knocking us down! Beep, beep, beep! Time to beep! Okay, back on track! Mega wheel activate! Go! This is awesome! Done and delivered!
Ryder, have you found my throne yet?
We did, but Sweetie got away again.
Oh, that pup.
I saw her flying the air patroller south, and there's only one thing in that direction.
Greetings, loyal subjects. I'm Queen Yuck. For my first royal command, build your beloved queen an ice castle. Don't forget to draw, Bridge.
Howdy. Name's Jake. So, where's Ryder?
He let me have his plane. It's okay. I'm a queen. And I command you, tall person, to help finish it. Bigger! Bigger!
Oh, hi, Everest. Want to help us make an ice castle? I'm playing along so I can figure out what she's up to.
She's up to no good. Jake, that pup took the air patroller and that throne. Hello? There are no breaks in the South Sweetie Pole.
Lend a flipper, penguins. Uh-oh. That castle is getting too heavy for this ice.
Whoa!
Come on, little fella. I'll save you. Whoa! That was close.
Look, she left the throne.
Yeah, it's getting a little small here.
Zuma, use your mini-sub to rescue Jake. Scuba.
Oh, thanks. Kind of like water skiing, but a whole lot chillier.
Frankie's Botasaur. I love this song.
Me too.
Botasaur does too.
Uh-oh. A skunk!
I have arrived!
You may cheer and clap now. For the greatest inventor in the world! Thank you. I'm Frankie Fritz. I just moved in down the street.
Great to meet you, Frankie. I'm Rusty.
And I'm Ruby. Cool skateboard.
Oh, it's just a little something that I happen to make myself. I love inventing stuff.
Cool. We invent things too.
Oh, that's nice. Me? I invent awesome things because I am the greatest inventor in the world. Whoa, a robotic dinosaur?
This is Botasaur. I made him.
Cool! I mean,
He's our friend.
why'd you make him act like a dog? He should act like an awesome mega dino. You know, all like, roar!
I guess he's a little tired from dancing. He loves music.
Huh, okay. See you later, neighbors.
Bye, Frankie.
Nice to meet you. I'm getting hungry. How about a snack?
Great idea. We'll be back, Botasaur.
I just need to make a few programming tweaks, and this dino will be way better. Bye-bye, doggy. Hello, Frankie's Mega Dino. Roar! How do I do this again? What? No! You should say roar! I want a Mega Dino, not a Mega Frog! My program is breaking! Ah! Stop hopping!
Frankie, what are you doing on Botasaur?
And why is Botasaur acting like a frog?
He's not supposed to. I just have to make a few more little tweaks, then he'll be a real dino. Ah!
Real dino? Botasaur's not acting like himself. Frankie must have done something to his modifier chip.
Let's go find out. Time to bolt. like that?
I'm making him better by turning him into an awesome Mega Dino. I just have to stop this frog stuff!
Dinosaur!
Oh, no! How can we get him back now?
Frankie is getting away with Botasaur, and we're stuck here on land.
I've got an idea. We can turn our cars into boats. Time to get some bits on the fix. Whirly, Jack, we need your help.
Awesome!
Let's motor.
Hang on, Botasaur. We're on our way.
There they are.
Whoa! Cars speedboats? That's amazing! I mean...
Hey, we're coming, Botasaur!
I'm about to make him super awesome by turning him into a Mega Dino! Now you think you're a mountain goat!
They're headed for Planter's Peak. Botasaur?
We'll never get up there. Our cars can't drive up boulders.
I've got it! Our cars can climb over boulders with these. Let's make something great.
Whoa! Not so high! No! Bah is bad!
Frankie, give us back Botasaur!
Whoa! Cars with arms? Cool! Yes! It worked! He is Mega Dino!
Frankie, that's not the way Botasaur is, right, boy?
He's much better this way. Nothing can stop Mega Dino! Except maybe that.
Botasaur! Frankie!
Are you guys all right?
Things could be better. It's really dark, and I'm afraid of heights.
Hang on, we'll get you out.
We need something strong to climb down there and pull them up.
Something that can hold onto the side of a cliff. Like an animal with big claws that can dig into the rock.
But it also has to be able to see in the dark.
So what kind of animal is that?
A tiger! Let's combine it.
And design it. We'll start by making a strong robotic body.
Then we'll add tiger paws with giant metal claws.
And finally, powerful eyes so it can see in the dark. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Let's go mobile! Modified,
Customized.
justified. Presenting Tiger Bot!
Wow, she's so cool. Nice to meet you, too.
Whoa!
Tigerbot, we need your help saving Botasaur and Frankie.
Let's go! Right! Now left! Jump! Oh no! Tigerbot, use your
dreaming. Huh? There's no such thing as a robotic tiger.
There is now.
Sweet!
Grab a hold. We got you, big guy.
I never want to be up this high again.
Now I can reset your modifier chip. Easy, boy. Easy. It's okay, big guy. Tigerbot is our new friend. Come out. He's scared of you.
Aw, it's okay. You didn't mean to scare him. Don't sing a sad song.
Wait, you sing! Botasaur loves music! I bet if you sing him a song, he'll come out of the cave. See, buddy? Tigerbot is great!
Tigerbot and Botasaur are already great friends.
Frankie, Botasaur is perfect just the way he is.
I guess a happy dancing Robo-Dino is fun, too. All right, well, good times today. It's cool finding neighbors who can appreciate my genius. Because I am the greatest inventor! Huh. Weird.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Tigerbot Dance Party!
Milosaurus!
Calling all trains! Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission! Today's mega mission goes to... Mechanic Milo! You get to pick up the last giant T-Rex bone from Port Station, deliver it to Museum Station, and then put the T-Rex together in time for the dinosaur exhibit's grand opening.
There's no way I'd miss this Dino Bone adventure.
Now you're ready to make tracks!
Tug a Dino!
Dino Bone aboard!
Yikes! Look out, Cody! We lost the Dino Bone! Got it! Eagle! Caught Milo, not the bone! Sorry, guys.
Hey, look at that! A giant flying bone!
A giant flying bone! It's gonna land on Museum Station! This is gonna be close! Got and delivered!
Paw Patrol ready for action, riders, sir! Pups, there's a big hairy monkey in town.
Whoa!
He must have hitched a ride with us from the jungle. And we better get him home before he causes more monkey trouble. So for this mission, I'll need rocket. You'll use your claw to load bananas onto your catapult. Then you'll fire a trail of them to lure the monkey back to the Paw Patroller. Tracker, we'll load the catapult onto a wagon, which will need you to pull with your Jeep. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Ryder, that big monkey just chased away my customers.
I have a plan. Tracker, grab that fruit before it's all gobbled up.
Cables! Claw!
Oh, he wants his back scratched with the best back scratcher ever.
No problem. Whoa!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think I just missed a spot. Uh-oh!
After that giant monkey!
Whoa! Ryder, the big monkey is at the lookout. He's taking Rocky up to the roof.
How you doing up there, Rocky?
I'm okay.
Zuma, I have an idea. Move the periscope up and down.
Okay, I'll dive down, up, then down again.
Yes!
Sky, time to bring Big Harry down. Right this way.
Here, I made you something to remember me by.
You're welcome, Big Harry.
Rusty's Mega Stacker.
Go, Bites, go!
Get the ball, boy.
My sandcastle.
We're sorry, Liam.
So is Bites. That's okay. I just want to build the biggest, best sandcastle ever. One that Sir Sandy can guard.
I think we can build you and Sir Sandy an even bigger sandcastle.
Really? That'd be so cool. Huzzah! Here's my shovel. That's okay, Liam. We have our own special tools. Cool. Let's go. Yup, that's better than my shovel.
Presenting the Mega Stacker 5000.
Whoa.
It makes bricks out of sand?
And then stacks them to make the biggest sand castles ever. That is awesome! This is gonna be the best sand castle ever!
Oh, you want to keep playing? Okay, fetch.
Uh-oh, that didn't sound good.
No problem. We'll just shut it down.
We're trapped! I wanted to play in a giant sandcastle, but not forever. Sand is really hard to climb.
Then we'll dig our way out.
Ooh, we can't dig through this.
I know someone who's great at digging. Bites! Fetch, boy, fetch!
Good boy.
Great digging, boy. Let's get out of here.
Where did the Mega Stacker go? Look, it left a trail.
Follow that stacker trail, Bites. We'll be right behind you.
I hope the Mega Stacker isn't causing any trouble.
Nah, it just makes and stacks sand bricks. It's not like it could be doing anything really bad. Unless it built a giant wall across the train tracks.
And there's a train headed for the wall. I know what to do. We'll make a ramp so the train can go over the wall.
But how can we make it before the train gets here?
Let's get some bits on the fix. Bits, we need help pronto.
Let's go!
ahead and try to find the stacker.
The rest of us have a ramp to build.
And fast.
Hurry! Trains are coming!
This is gonna be close. Everyone stand back!
That was awesome!
It's Whirly. The Mega Stacker's in town, and look what it's doing.
Now that's the biggest, best sandcastle ever! But maybe too big. Totally too big.
If we don't stop it, the whole town will be buried in sand. We've got to stop the Mega Stacker. It's already covered town square.
Soon it'll cover the whole town.
Stop construction! Do you have a permit to build a gigantic sand... whatever that is?
Sorry, Officer Caro. Our Mega Stacker got stack happy, but we're on it. Right, guys?
Right. Bits? Where did the bits go?
Over there!
Bites and the Bits are trying to stop the stacker.
Okay, so adding rocket boosters to it might not have been the best idea.
What is it doing now?
They're all stuck! Even Whirly.
We've got to save them. Come on!
Whoa! Sand bricks are hard to climb.
If we can't get up there, how can we get the Bits down?
We need something that can climb a huge sandcastle. Tigerbot! Tigerbot, we need you. Ready to rescue the Bits, Tigerbot?
Let's combine it.
And design it. We'll start with Tigerbot for her mega agility.
Then we'll give her grappling hook claws at the front.
And put sand shoes on her back paws so she can climb up the sand bricks. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified.
Customized.
Rustified. The Tiger Climber 7000. Let's do this.
Help is on the way, Bits. Hang in there.
We need to go faster. Awesome climbing, Tigerbot. Almost there. Oh, to the right, to the left. Whoa, just a little farther, Tigerbot. We can make it. Whoa. We did it! Uh-oh, it looks like it's going off to build more. Come on, we've got to hurry. Let's break some bricks. The sandcastle is coming apart.
Bot, shoot your grappling hook claws down to the ground.
Hurry, Rusty!
Zip line down, Bits, quick.
Let's go!
Okay, Tiger Bot, let's slide down. Faster, Tiger Bot. There's the Mega Stacker. Jump! Going down. Great landing, Tiger Bot. Let's turn this Mega Stacker off.
That was amazing, Tigerbot.
Now we just have to figure out how to get rid of all this sand.
Or we could have a giant town beach party.
Now that we stopped the stacker, we're going to build a new sandcastle with you, Liam.
The old-fashioned way. Oh, good. I like the old-fashioned way. There's less running and yelling.
We'll play with you too, Bites. Fetch!
This is going to be the biggest, best sandcastle ever! Huzzah!
Huzzah! Rocks beam scheme. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Build It Brock. That's me. Bugle Bridge is broken, and Penny and the kids are stuck. You need to pick up building supplies at Building Yard Station and deliver them to Bugle Bridge to fix it.
And I'll come along to make sure your engine runs smooth. It's a very heavy load.
Now you're ready to make tracks!
Wow, those things are huge!
Now let's go fix that bridge.
Bye, Dusty!
Bye, guys! Ooh, drive carefully. I'll fix that up when I get back. Sorry. Thanks. Maybe we could use the bridge parts.
That's one marvelous mini bridge.
Now let's try it out.
We did it!
Next stop, Bugle Bridge. Done and delivered.
Paw Patrol ready for action, riders, sir! Thanks, pups. One of Mayor Humdinger's kitties is trapped on a cliff, dangerously close to that eagle's nest. Marshall, I'll need you to climb your ladder up the cliff to free the kitty's wing and bring her down. Chase, I'll need you to use your megaphone to alert us if the mama eagle is coming. The kitty doesn't have a pup tag, so this way everyone will hear you. Chase is on the case. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
The little kitty is trapped right up there.
We gotta work fast, pups.
Ladder up.
Roar! Megaphone. No sign of the mama. The coast is clear. I'm here to get your wing loose. There. Now just get on my back, and we'll climb back down. Hey! Don't you want to be rescued? Whoa! I guess not! Ugh, time to bring in some high-altitude reinforcements.
Get in the harness. and I'll get you back down. Ooh, I really don't want to be here when Big Mama shows up. Uh-oh. Looks like that little fella's in trouble.
Sky, rescue that chick!
On it! Woof! Wings!
The Fix-It 500.
So, what do you want to build today, Rusty? Giant robot? A giant spaceship?
How about both? A giant robot spaceship.
I have arrived. You may cheer and clap now. For the greatest inventor in the world! Thank you.
Hi, Frankie. What's up?
Just came by to show you my latest amazing invention, the Fritz Car 5000. The fastest car in the world!
No way it's faster than Rusty's go-kart.
Oh, yes, it is. Way faster. In fact, Frankfurt and I would be willing to race Rusty and Ruby to see who has the fastest car.
You're on.
Wait, we need to make this interesting. If you win, you get to keep my Fritz car. But if I win, I get the Mobile Rivet Lab.
It's a deal.
But...
Excellent. Race starts in Town Square after lunch.
Frankie, hold on.
See you there.
Liam, you just told Frankie he can have the Mobile Rivet Lab if he wins the race.
Yeah, but you can totally beat him, right?
Sure we can. I hope.
I, Race Judge Sammy Scoops, welcome you to the Fix-It 500! This race has 3 parts. A curvy road, a bumpy road, and a straight road. Before each part, there's a pit stop where you fix up your car to help with the crazy roads ahead.
The Bits and I will help you do that. It's the least I can do.
But you can't do anything to anyone else's car or the road. You can only fix up your own car.
I don't need to touch Rusty's car when I have the greatest vehicle in the world.
Get ready to race to your first pit stop. On your marks, get set, go!
See you at the finish line.
We have to hurry. We don't want to lose the Mobile Rivet Lab.
And there's the pit stop.
Yay! Let's get to work, my little stinker.
We need to fix our car up for stage 1, the curvy road around Planter's Peak.
I've got it. We'll add suction cups to our tires to keep us on the road.
The Bits and I are on it.
Oh, a grappling hook. Perfect. It will swing us around the corners super fast. Hurry, hurry, hurry. First one out of the pit stop wins.
Okay, guys, we're done. Go!
Suction cups, activate.
Don't worry, Frankfurt. We're about to zoom way ahead of them. Ah! They're on our tail! But I have some soap to clean up this mess.
Hang on, Ruby.
Rusty, look out!
by making the road slippery with soap. And now he's getting away.
There's no soap up there.
Great thinking, Ruby.
We saw you drive on the side of a cliff. That was awesome.
Thanks. Now we need a way to get through the bumpy road. And quick.
I know what to do. Let's take the mobile Rivet Lab's giant spare tires and use them on our car. Great idea! Tire changing formation bits on the double.
Pillows and bungee cords. Another brilliant idea from Frankie Fritz. See, Frankfurt, these pillows are perfect.
These giant tires are working great. We're gonna pass Frankie.
Don't worry. Soap may not have stopped them. But this will.
Look out!
Frankie, how are we going to get past those rocks?
If we don't find a way past these boulders, Frankie will get our mobile Rivet Lab.
Maybe we can drive over them with our giant tires.
Wow, these giant tires are bouncy.
That's it. We can bounce over the boulders.
Let's bounce.
This is so fun.
Woohoo! We made it! Guys! We've got to hurry. Frankfurt just added a big battery to Frankie's car to make it go faster. And now Frankie is going to get way ahead.
He's ahead because he keeps breaking the rules.
We need to go super fast to beat him now. Like, as fast as a rocket.
I have rockets. We can put them on our car. Let's combine it.
And design it.
We'll start with the go-kart and turn it into a real race car.
My sidecar is slowing us down, so we'll lose that and add another seat inside.
Then we'll add rockets so we can blast right past Frankie and win the race.
Put it all together, and we've got our plan.
Modify.
Customized.
Rustify.
The Rocket Car 9000.
Awesome! Let's win this race and save the mobile Rivet Lab.
Time to bolt. What? Not again!
Ah! Cool rocket race car. But good thing I have one last trick in my hood. A glue cannon. They're in for a sticky situation. Uh-oh. Frankfurt, fix it!
Look out, Blue!
I've got this.
Don't worry, Frankfurt. We'll still beat them
Frankie. We'll get you around that corner. One little bump should do it.
Rusty, stop!
I can't!
And the racers are in the final stretch. They're almost at the finish line.
We might still win!
That's Rusty and Ruby's car! Yes, we won!
Rusty, Ruby, you win the Fix-It 500.
You get to keep the mobile Rivet Lab and Frankie's car, too.
Taking Frankie's car wouldn't be right. You can keep it, Frankie.
Even though you cheated.
What's a little glue and soap and boulders among friends? Okay, fine. It was wrong. Thanks for saving me. Let's go quick before they change their mind about the Fritz car.
Octopus Express!
Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Farmer Faye.
Yeah! Aww!
This is a picture of a baby octopus that showed up at Port Station today. And because Faye's so good with animals, we need her to get the baby from Port Station to Beach Station. Now you're ready to make tracks!
We'll get you to your family in no time, little big guy. Let's call him Giggles. Yeah! Hang on, y'all!
I know a train who can rescue Giggles and get him to the beach.
Rescue Red!
Baby octopus in a leaky tank coming through. Clear the way! How close are we to Beach Station, Red?
We're close, but getting Giggles into the ocean before the tank is empty is gonna be closer.
We need you at the beach to make some new tracks.
Did you say make new tracks? Mechanic Milo is on the job!
Check out full episodes of Mighty Express on Netflix.